Hey everyone, I am Anushka Umarte and today I have got something exciting to share with you. We are diving into the world of sentiment analysis, and what better way to do it than with IMDb movie review? In this video, I will show you how to build a model that can understand and predict whether a movie review is positive or negative using Python and LSTM network. Sound cool, right? So, what exactly is sentiment analysis? In simple terms, it's a method used in natural language processing or NLP to identify and understand the emotion expressed in text. Think of it as teaching a computer to read between the lines to sense whether the words are conveying happiness, sadness, excitement, or frustration. This technique is widely used by companies to gain customer opinion, powers chatbot to respond appropriately to user emotion. And in our case, it helps to determine if a movie review is positive or negative. Let's talk about the data. For this project, we are using the IMDb movie review dataset, which I downloaded from Kaggle, a popular platform for dataset and data science competition. Once the data is downloaded, we loaded it using pandas and started by performing some basic cleaning, removing any unnecessary characters, normalizing the text, and ensuring it all in a format suitable for analysis. Now let's dive into pre-processing. To make our data usable by the model, we first converted the segment labels from text to number, converting positive to 1 and negative to 0. This step is crucial because our model needs numerical value to work with. After that, we use tokenization to break the text down into sequence of number. We then apply padding to make sure all sequences are of the same length. This helps the model to better understand the input data. Alright, let's uncover the magic behind our LSTM model. Don't worry, I will break it down step by step so it's easy to follow even if you're from non-tech background. First, we start with something called a sequential model. Think of this as the blueprint or skeleton of our network, where we add layers one by one, kind of like stacking Lego block to build something awesome. Our first block is the embedding layer. Imagine we are translating every word in a movie review into a unique secret code that only our model understands. These layers take up to 5000 different words and convert them into 128 dimensional vectors. Think of this vector like GPS coordinates that map the meaning of each word in a review. Next, we add the LSTM layer, the brain and the memory of our model. LSTM stands for long short-term memory and it is designed to remember important sequence in data. Here we have added 128 memory units. Think of them like tiny librarians who keep the track of key information like memorable movie code or plot twist as they read through the review. Now, to make sure our model does not get too attached to a specific detail, we apply a technique called dropout. It is like training for a memory game where you purposely forget a few things so that you focus on what is really important. This way, our model generalizes better rather than just memorizing everything word from word. Finally, we arrive at the dense layer with a single neuron. This neuron is like the judge at the end of a competition. It makes the final call whether the review is positive or negative. It uses a sigmoid activation function. And there you have it, our LSTM model in all its glory. By combining this layer, we teach the model to read, comprehend, and classify the segment of the movie reviews just like a human would, but at lightning speed. Brace yourself, it's training time. Our LSTM model is about to flex its muscle, learning and getting smarter with each iteration. Once trained, it is time to test its skill and see if it is ready for the spotlight. And now, the moment you have been waiting for, a live demo on our web application to watch it in action. Yes, my model worked brilliantly. For every positive review, it delivers a thumbs up, capturing the excitement perfectly. And for those not so great, a negative review. It accurately sends the critical tone, giving a realistic thumbs down. Just like a true movie buff, it knows when to cheer up and when to boo. I am thrilled with how it captures the essence of each review. What a fantastic way to wrap up this project. Thank you.